Let's begin. First of all, hello. I'm joined today with Bashir Yazbek.
Thank you, Dave, for welcoming us in this webinar for Alpha Anywhere. I think we have met a few years ago during the Alpha conference in Boston. So it's
We
nice to come
did.
back now. Yes.
Now, the application you built, what is its name?
What we call the product is like ERP or BiBuilt ERP, which is our company.
Mhm.
Our main focus is in the industry of construction and energy. We work for energy company, fuel sector, like Total Energy. For Ministry of Energy, we work for construction project in West Africa, Benin, Togo. And we work also for one of our client is based in Paris, in France. So it's waste to energy project, incineration. So we produce energy from waste. So we developed a platform for document management and progress measurement for this project.
Do you have a cloud thing with tenancy, or it's separate? I would imagine for
Yes,
those.
absolutely.
Yeah,
Actually, one of our argument to convince the client with our model
yeah,
is that we are able with Alpha Anywhere power, I mean features, to deploy it on premise.
and adds a level of security, I'm
Yeah,
sure,
it's
to
more of
the.
a layer of security.
Yeah.
And in the case of Ministry of Energy, we deploy it on a cloud, but we have created a duplication locally in Lebanon. So we will, at any time, if there's any issue with connectivity, we can access data locally, and we can deploy Alpha also server locally. So, but
So you can switch from cloud to your local deployment
yeah,
if you need to.
we introduced some IoT that you connect to Alpha server and like what we call the gauging sensor and level measurement sensor.
Okay, so the second one, level management, so you can see how much, for example, oil is in a tank or something like that, or.
Yes, actually, there's three type of IoT we connect. One is the level measurement with using radar technology. I have something in hand like this sensor.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
This actually we have a SIM card inside.
Okay.
We connect through 4G, and we got the measurement of the level of fuel. And it can work in IP66 environment and ATEX, which is a fuel environment. So uh,
Wow. So it's very rugged. Yeah.
and every 5 minutes, we got the level of the fuel in the tank, knowing that it's a tank that is really, the height can vary between 15 meter and 18 meters. So this is one of our sensor. We got also some IoT like this machine. It's a face recognition machine. So all the labor can use it to make their timesheet. You know, they just get a look on that with face recognition. Then
Oh,
when
very cool.
yeah,
Yeah.
we can also calculate automatically the overtime. So we got GPS devices, but we use what we call CAN data, which means that not only we transmit the geolocation, we also transmit what is on the board of the machine. Like, for example, a fuel injection on the pump, if the seat belt is
Connected and all that. Yeah.
not,
Yeah.
so we can see remotely if the driver has his own seatbelt or not. So all this information on the board of the machine, we try to transmit them to the
So it
application.
reads vehicle information as well, it
Yeah,
sounds
yeah,
like. Yeah.
absolutely. The
Oh,
vehicle, I mean, data
yeah.
information. So
Yeah.
we work with Teltonica. They have an option to put a CAN machine. They call that CAN, so they can transmit the board. What you see on the board, I mean, you can transmit it to the server with using 4G connection and
Wow.
4G network. Yeah. So that's
That's very
some
cool.
additional, yes. And what we did, okay, most of the case in the industry is the connection to the PLC machine. You know, you have the batching plant, asphalt plant. Sometimes you have an operator room. So we have the PLC where the user or the operator can drive the machine. So we try to connect to the PLC machine with like local database, with SQL database, and we push the data every 2 minutes to the server. So through Alpha and Alpha grids, we try to get real time over the production of the machine.